see this is node, and this is node number 1. Node number 2 is turned on, and this is a gateway here which conveys messages from the master controller to these respective nodes, which are acting as an appliance in the house. So we are looking at node 2, which is turned on currently. Now I'll go and turn it off, and we'll see that the LED turns off, indicating the reception of command. Now this LED will glow here, which will indicate that PC is communicating with the gateway. This is red LED. The moment it glows, yeah, now the schedule has been conveyed to gateway. Now gateway is transferred to the node number 2, and we'll see that the LED stops, and didn't do it because that was the first session. Okay, now this should go off. Turned off. Now node 1 is turned off, so I'll turn it on from the application. So this is node 1. Here is node 1, and it is okay. There's a delay between the message being transmitted from the application through gateway to the appliances in the house. The reason being the COM port is open as a file system, and when the gateway sends a message to the computer that it is ready to accept messages, the file is being read, and hence the write access is not given, and hence it skips one cycle, and when the read is complete here and the lock is released for write purpose, in the next cycle, the first thing is done is the command is returned to the gateway. So there is always a gap of one connection setup phase. Now this should turn on, and it did. Now I'll turn on the second appliance, which you turned off previously. Go here, this is device ID 2, and this application is showing all the appliances default as turned off, because currently these appliances are not reporting their mode change status back to the computer. Once I start doing it, this application will maintain a state of these appliances, whether they're turned on or off. We'll see that the gateway hasn't started yet. This was the first. Okay, the turn off message was received by it because the application couldn't store the state. And in the second phase, it will turn it on. The moment this LED glows, you'll see that this green thing glows here. Okay, now the green LED should glow. Come on. Okay, it will glow in the next cycle. Now this green LED should glow. Yep. So basically this is working. The reason for a delay is, as I told you, it's a shared file system between write and read operations. So when the gateway turns on, it sends a message to the application. So a read lock is, the file is locked for reading purposes, hence the application cannot write the schedule command to the device. When the moment read is removed, the read lock is removed, it is locked for write purposes, and the next cycle it is transmitted. So there's a gap of one cycle here. Currently, we'll see that application is not storing the state of device. For example, we turned it on. And even if I turn it off, and so I turned it off here, and I click on this, the application still believes that the device is on, because these appliances currently don't transmit their mode change status back. Once they start doing it, their mode change will be recorded in a log file for predictor algorithm, as well as the states will be saved. And now we'll see this LED going off, which will indicate the off command which we